Ecoprogetti is glad to introduce the new sun simulator Ecosun 10L that works with a new LED technology in full accordance with Triple Class A standards. This new product will improve the workflow of the production line thanks to Ecoprogetti's LED technology, with which it's possible to obtain an extremely high performance with minimum required production space. To say that Ecoprogetti's sun simulator Ecosun 10L is in compliance with Triple Class A standards, also classified by the norm EN 60904-9, means to respect specific technical parameters. 1. Light uniformity. 2. Spectral power distribution. 3. Radiation stability. Let us now see in detail these specific characteristics. Light uniformity. The simulator is able to illuminate the entire test area with a maximum variation of 2%. Spectral power distribution. The light spectrum complies with Air Mass 1.5 standard, which means that it covers the complete range from 400 nm to 1100 nm, with the specified power distribution foreseen by the norm EN 60904-9. This permits to perform module testing without correcting and compensating the measured data. Radiation stability. The sun simulator Ecosun 10L has a very high temporal stability, also with very long pulse. For a pulse of 30 seconds, the maximum variation is 0.25%, while with a pulse of 10 seconds, the variation reaches an even lower value of 0.18%. To all these characteristics, it's necessary to add that this particular light source has a very high repeatability with a maximum variation of 0.5% during the complete work shift. All this together gives the possibility to obtain very precise and repeatable measures, reducing the necessary calibration maintenance. The practical benefits that characterize this new sun simulator developed by Ecoprogetti are: thanks to the LED technology, the system is always ready to use because no recharging time is needed between two tests. So, if it's necessary to repeat a test, it's possible to do it without any waiting time. This characteristic includes also the possibility to personalize the test impulse duration that can be extended also to more than 10 seconds, maintaining the radiation stability with a maximum variation of 0.18%. This feature that is possible to obtain with standard flash simulators is very useful to prevent that the measurement is affected by the capacitive effects of the module. A personalized pulse is very useful both for crystalline products as well as new technologies like thin film and back contact solar cells. It's important to underline that the instruments which this sun simulator is equipped with are calibrated and certified. This guarantees very precise and trustful measurements. In particular, this choice allows a detailed traceability of the data, which simplifies the work in respecting quality norms like ISO 9001. The system, more than gathering the electrical data of the module, acquires also information regarding the temperature and irradiation. In particular, the system registers the module temperature, the ambient temperature, and the source temperature. Like this, it's possible to obtain a complete vision of the test conditions. And with this information, the user can proceed with adjustments according to the norms in order to calculate the normalized values. The dimensions of Ecosun 10L are very compact, and surely this footprint is a key benefit for the production line, saving precious space with an inline production flow. The compact inline dimensions simplify the work for the operator with an easy cable connection, simple and quick module handling, both for the loading and the unloading of the simulator, increasing the production throughout. This system excludes the bottleneck often formed with flash simulators before and after simulation. The long lifetime of the LED light guarantees high reliability of the entire system, and frequent lamp changes are completely excluded, which lowers the maintenance cost. In fact, the lifetime of the LED source is 35,000 hours, with a maximum power loss of 2%. This can also be translated in 42 million tests, or almost 10 gigawatt. At least, if all these benefits don't seem to be enough, being a modular product, Ecoprogetti can supply other customized solutions to satisfy the customer's needs and requirements. For example, the simulator can be adapted to special dimensions, and it can also be designed to test several modules simultaneously, aiming for highest possible flexibility. Ecosun 10L will radically change the general concept of simulators.